program which reads a string and prints yes if all of its characters are same. Otherwise prints no. Main theme behind the program is as follows. We'll traverse the string character by character till we enter the null character, and we compare each character with the first character, that is 0th character. Each character is same as 0th character, that is first character. Then we will increment a counter value by 1. Of course, the counter value is initially initialized to 0. After traversing the string, if we find the counter value C, that is how many of the characters of the string are same as the first character, if that is same as the string length, that is I, then we print yes, otherwise we print no. We have already understood that I value indicates the length of the string. This we understood in our previous example. As usual, stdio.h is included, main is defined. The string variable x is declared, and also the variables I and C are declared. C value is initialized to 0. Here C we are taking as a counter to indicate how many of the characters of the string are same as first character. The following printf statement asks the user to enter a string. The scanf statement reads a string into the variable x. The while loop is written such a way that the characters of the string are traversed element by element starting from the first element, that is I value is initialized to 0, thus it will be starting from the first element, and each element is compared with first element, that is x of 0. If they are same, C value will be incremented by 1. If x of I is same as x of 0, C value is incremented by 1. Once we come out from the while loop, C and I values are compared. What is C? C is the number of characters which are same as the first character. What is I? Total number of characters in the string. If C is equal to I, which means that all the characters are same, thus we will print yes, otherwise we will print no. Let us try to simulate how this program works with a dummy string. Let us assume that the user has entered the string Rama. What are we supposed to get? We are supposed to get no from this program, because all the characters of the string Rama are not same, thus we are supposed to get no. Let us see whether we are going to get no or not by simulating this program. We assume that initial value of I is 0. Also, already we have mentioned initial value of C as 0. Currently, x of I is R. That is, I value is 0. Thus, x of 0 is R. That is symbol lowercase r. Symbol lowercase r. Is it not equal to null? Yes. Thus, the loop control goes to loop block. That is, the block of statements will be executed once. Now, x of I is compared with x of 0. Currently I value is 0. X of 0 is symbol R. Again x of 0 is symbol R. So, both of them are same. That is, we are comparing x of 0 with x of 0 itself. Thus, they are bound to be same. Thus, C value will be incremented by 1. Now, C value becomes 1. I value will be incremented by 1. Again, loop control comes to while expression evaluation. Currently, I value is 1. X of I, that is lowercase a, is it not equal to null? Yes. Thus, the while loop is going to get executed once more. X of I, is it equal to x of 0? That is lowercase a, is it equal to lowercase r? No. Thus, C value will not be incremented. I value will be incremented by 1. Again, program control comes to while expression evaluation. Currently, I value is 2. X of I, that is lowercase m, is it not equal to null? Yes. Thus, the while loop is going to get executed once more. X of I is compared with x of 0. That is, lowercase m, is it equal to lowercase r? No. Thus, C value will not be incremented. I value will be incremented by 1. Currently, I value is 3. X of I, that is lowercase a. Lowercase a, is it not equal to null? Yes. Thus, while loop is going to get executed once more. Is x of I, is it same as x of 0? That is lowercase a. Is it same as lowercase r? No. Thus, C value will not be incremented. I value will be incremented by 1. Currently, I value is 4. X of I, that is null. Null, not equal to null? No, it is equal to null. Thus, program control comes out of the while loop. Currently, what is the value of I? 4. That is, the string length is 4. What is the value of C? 1. Which means that there are only one character which is same as the 0th character. C, is it equal to I? No. Thus, we will get the message no. What are we supposed to get? No only. We are getting no. Thus, this program is working.